In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people in ClickUp. Top guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to bring new teammates into your ClickUp workspace with confidence, send clean invitations in bulk, choose the right level of access for each person, and confirm that everything went through successfully. I'll guide you through the main path inside settings, point out what you'll see on screen, and share helpful context so you can avoid common snags and keep your workspace organized. We'll also touch on what your invitees will experience on their side, so you can anticipate their questions and make the onboarding feel smooth. Let's start right inside ClickUp. Make sure you're logged into the workspace where you want to add someone new. If your ClickUp account is part of multiple workspaces, confirm that you're in the correct one before you proceed. You can usually see the workspace name from the main overview screen. It's a simple step, but it saves you from sending invites to the wrong place. Also, ensure you have permission to invite people. Typically, workspace admins and owners can invite new members. Some workspaces also allow members with specific permissions to invite guests. If you don't see the options I'm about to describe, you may need to ask an admin to enable invites for your role. From the main workspace overview, look to the upper right corner of your screen. Click your profile avatar there to open your account menu. In the menu that appears, select Settings. This takes you to your personal and workspace settings area. It's the central spot where you can manage your profile, and more importantly for today, your team access. Once the settings page opens, glance to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a list of categories. Click on People. This is exactly where you'll add new folks to your workspace. Think of the People area as your roster and control center. You can invite new users, see who's already in the workspace, manage roles, and view any pending invitations. On the People page, you'll find an invite field where you can enter the email address of the person you're adding. Click into that field and type the email of the individual you want to invite. If you're bringing in more than one person, you can add multiple email addresses at once. Separate each address with a comma, or even a space. This is especially handy if you have a prepared list. You can paste a set of emails, and ClickUp will parse them for you. Take a second to scan the addresses for typos, because a single character off can cause an invite to bounce. If you're pasting from a spreadsheet, a quick cleanup to remove extra spaces or duplicates is worth the effort. It keeps your pending invites tidy and prevents confusion. Before you send the invitations, choose the appropriate role or access level for the people you're adding. You'll see options that typically include member and admin, plus guest for limited access. Some plans also allow limited members or even custom roles. Here's a quick guide to help you decide.